This is the OPPO A17, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can print the documents using this phone and later transfer them into the PDF file. In order to do that, I will highly recommend that you use the Google Drive application. So if you do not have it, you can get it for free from the Play Store. In my case, it is pre-installed, so launch the Google Drive. Then at the bottom right corner, you'll find this little plus sign, which you want to tap on. Choose the scan option, grant a Google Drive camera permission. Then take the document that you were planning to scan. I have this one in front of me. Make sure to lay it flat and straight, so we will make this task easier on you. Then align it in the viewfinder. Make sure that it's straight and pretty as well. Once you're ready to scan it, just tap on the shutter button. After that, you can either redo the photo by tapping on this cross sign, or if you're satisfied with the results, tap on this little check circle icon. In here, you can change the color modes over here, and as well as align your scan even better if it is needed, of course. I'll just tidy up the edges a little bit. Like so, let's say. Then tap on done option once you're done with cropping. And the moment you're ready to save your document as the PDF file, tap on a save button over here. You can rename it if you want, choose where you would like to save it to, the folder, if you have some dedicated folder for it, for example, and then tap on a save button. And now it is saved into the files and to the Google Drive, and can be accessed either from home or it will be the last file in the files section over here. Here it is. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.